In the vast expanse of space, a new threat has emerged that could change the course of human history. Scientists have recently discovered an asteroid named 2024 AB, which is hurtling towards Earth with a potential collision date set in the next 160 years. This discovery has sent shockwaves through the scientific community and beyond, as the implications of such an event are catastrophic. The asteroid, measuring approximately 1.2 kilometers in diameter, has the potential to cause unprecedented devastation, wiping out entire cities and altering the planet's climate for decades. Interestingly, this isn't the first time Earth has faced such a threat. The asteroid that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs 66 million years ago was around 10 kilometers in diameter. While 2024 AB is smaller, its impact could still be devastating, especially given the current state of our planet's environment. Efforts are already underway to devise a plan to deflect or destroy the asteroid before it reaches Earth. Space agencies like NASA and ESA are collaborating on potential solutions, such as the DART mission, which aims to test the feasibility of redirecting an asteroid's path. Additionally, private companies are also stepping in, with innovative ideas ranging from deploying nuclear devices to using the gravitational pull of spacecraft to alter the asteroid's trajectory. One fascinating aspect of this discovery is the precision with which scientists can now predict such events. With advancements in technology and data analysis, astronomers can track and monitor near-Earth objects with incredible accuracy. This gives humanity a fighting chance to prevent a potential catastrophe.